What's up guys, Zach back with Nifty Garage. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the fuel filler neck flap inside of a 350Z gas tank. This is a kit that Nissan sells. This is where the fuel filler neck goes in and the fuel comes in, so as soon as it's full it'll close, or when you stop putting gas in, so it doesn't come back up the fuel filler neck. So this one's pretty loose and just kind of flapping. Then there is another piece. We do have an example. We cut a gas tank open so that we can show you guys exactly what's going on in there. And there's a metal piece that you have to bend out of the way so that you can get to this, and they just kind of twist off of it. I wish I could show you guys inside the tank instead of going through the side of the tank how we have the prime example. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys how to replace this. This is your gas tank, the inside of your gas tank. So that piece that I was showing you is actually, you gotta grab this flap, and mind you, your gas tank will not look like this, I promise. You'll be going from inside here and pulling up on this piece, and the piece is right there. The way you get that out is you have to reach your hand in there and you twist to the left and it will come out. And then you just reinstall by clicking it on, make sure that it's on there and it's not turning back and forth. And then you want to push this back down and make sure that it is pretty flat inside of here so that you don't get any kind of fuel slosh inside the tank. And then you reinstall your fuel pump and move on to the next mystery with your 350Z. Thank you for tuning in to Nifty Garage. If you need any more tips on your Nissan Infiniti, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button.